Hi, I'm Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number BTTL0007. This is your 1/2 inch by 20 by 2 inch long drive-in trailer stud, and let's take a look at it. So like I said, today we're looking at part number BTTL0007. This is your 1/2 inch by 20 by 2 inch long drive-in trailer wheel hub stud, typically found on your smaller axles like your 2,000 pound axle, 3,500 pound axles, 52 sometimes. So let's just measure it out. So the overall length of this guy is 2.14 inches, and the usable part actually looks like it's about 1.94 inches. The head is going to be 0.67 inches, and the knurl diameter, which is this part right here that presses into the stud, which is like the most important part you should always measure, because if this measurement right here isn't right, if it's too big or too small, that's either going to cause it to either just fall out the hub, or if it's too big, you won't be able to press it into the hub. So this part right here is going to be 0.52 inches, and then 1.34 inches on the threads itself. Pretty common stud. So if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.